In this video, I'll show you how to verify your email in Roblox. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notifications to this channel for lots of educational content like this. Now head over to your Roblox, right? And from my Roblox, I'm gonna go over to the settings, right? And I'm just gonna wait for it to load up. Once it has opened up, I'm gonna click on this verify, right? Once I've clicked on it, I'll head over to my email, right? So this is my email right here, and you can see this Roblox verification. How to do? I'm gonna open it, right? I'm gonna click on this verify email, wait for it to load up, give it just a few seconds for it to load up, right? So yeah, it took me back to my Roblox, I think. Thank you, your email has been verified. Enjoy the free hats. So I'm gonna click on the view item, and yeah, Roblox gave me a free hat, right? So this is basically how you can do that. If you found this video helpful, please share it out below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.